Hey guys, it's Layla. I'm back with another Ayurvedic hair care video, and this time we'll be using Cassia, also known as neutral henna. Cassia gives you all the benefits of henna, i.e. hair restructuring, shine enhancing, volumizing, conditioning, antifungal, antibacterial properties, and astringent properties. However, unlike henna, there is no color deposit. So you're going to need about half a cup of Cassia, 1 teaspoon of amla powder, 1 tablespoon of bamboo powder, and 1 tablespoon of aretha powder, followed by 1 tablespoon of brahmi powder. All these Ayurvedic powders are included for their strengthening, their clarifying, and their fortifying properties. For my liquid, I will be using coconut cream / milk, and this is some that I had saved previously in the freezer that I have defrosted. So these are completely optional, but I used some vegetable glycerin, I used some jojoba oil, as well as an oil mix. I used the Curls scalp oil because I couldn't find my own. And I used this particular oil because it has menthol, and as you guys know, I love peppermint in my hair. So as you know, I am doing my protective styling challenge, so my hair looks crazy sometimes, but it's all good. And I'm just going to put my hair into 4 sections and apply the Cassia treatment. Unlike henna, I don't need to leave it overnight or anything like that because you don't need anything to develop. You use the product as soon as you make it. And as you saw, I just misted my hair lightly just to make it malleable before applying the Cassia treatment. Silence the devil, put him back in his place. Went back to the Father sitting in his right place. Now everything we want, we can get it through You just want to ensure that it is applied thoroughly. I focus predominantly on my roots because of all the astringent and antibacterial properties. I've also included powders that help with clarifying and cleaning the scalp as well. And it's not every day we show love to one another. But my God never changes, it makes me want. If you're not already subscribed, be sure to do so if you're finding this video helpful. And of course, be sure to hit that notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of my videos. Definitely, he always certainly me. Oh my God, amazing, it's been so awesome, so I was singing praise, cause it's been so great to me, oh my God, amazing, it's been so awesome, so I was singing praise, cause it's been so great to me, Alright, yeah. Brothers keep pausing. It goes like 1 for the Father. Once you're done, you can leave this on for about 2 to 4 hours. I believe I did about 2.5 hours. I just went out and did some errands and I came back home. But you can even leave this on overnight if you'd like kind of a really intense treatment. So I was singing praise, For me personally, unlike henna, I do find it much easier to rinse out my Cassia mixes, and I think that's just because the powder is much finer, so it's not as grainy. There aren't as many kind of tiny deposits that attach to the hair as you get with henna, so it's much easier to rinse out. And then once I rinse this out, I'm actually going to follow it up with my clay wash, and I do have a video for this that I will link up that you guys can check out as well. So my battles I don't have to shoot. It's been so awesome, so I was singing praise, So if you're new to my channel, then I am a huge clay washer. I really love washing my hair with clay. It is my preference and my go-to. However, I do have alternative wash days where I will just use a regular shampoo and conditioner. I am not opposed to it, but if I have the time, then I will definitely reach for my DIY clay wash. And as you can see, it allows me to detangle my hair really well. It allows me to run my fingers through my hair, and it allows my curl pattern and my hair texture to really thrive and pop through. I would love to hear how your Ayurvedic hair journeys are going, how your protective style challenge is going. The thing I love about incorporating Ayurvedic practices is that all of these powders can be added to your regular deep conditioner. You can use them weekly if you'd like. There's no stopping you. So yeah, I'd love to hear you guys are doing, and thanks so much for watching. Bye.